Having been part of this project for some time, I've just written down what it meant to me, and if you don't mind, I'll just read it through. Having been part of the new scheme, I can only say how grateful I am for its existence. As I have got older and I live alone, I struggle to do things that in the past I found easy. Also, I find my confidence less as I have aged. This scheme has been excellent. My volunteer, Rob, has been so helpful. No task was too much trouble for him. I am at a loss for words to say how he has helped me. I could not have done this work without his help, reassuring me all the way that everything would be all right. And sometimes I didn't believe it, but and I thank Catherine and all involved with this scheme.